Good. 17, is that an onion? Yes, that is an onion. Is that an onion? No, that is not an onion. 18, is that an office? Yes, that is an office. Is that an office? No, that is not an office. 19, is that an aerogram? Yes, that is an aerogram. Is that an aerogram? No, that is not an aerogram. 20, is that an eagle? Yes, that is an eagle. Is that an eagle? No, that is not an eagle. Lesson 6. Questions and answers. 1. Is this an egg? Yes, this is an egg. What is this? This is an egg. 2. Is this an apple? Yes, this is an apple. What is this? This is an apple. 3. Is this an arm? Yes, this is an arm. What is this? This is an arm. 4. Is this an axe? Yes, this is an axe. What is this? This is an axe. 5. Is this an ear? Yes, this is an ear. What is this? This is an ear. 32 par. 6. Is this an eye? Yes, this is an eye. What is this? This is an eye. 7. Is this an ice cream? Yes, this is an ice cream. What is this? This is an ice cream. 8. Is this an envelope? Yes, this is an envelope. What is this? This is an envelope. 9. Is this an ink pot? Yes, this is an ink pot. What is this? This is an ink pot. 10. Is this an island? Yes, this is an island. What is this? This is an island. 11. Is that an orange? Yes, that is an orange. What is that? That is an orange. 12. Is that an umbrella? Yes, that is an umbrella. What is that? That is an umbrella. 13. Is that an aeroplane? Yes, that is an aeroplane. What is that? That is an aeroplane. 14. Is that an ashtray? Yes, that is an ashtray. What is that? That is an ashtray. 15. Is that an actor? Yes, that is an actor. What is that? That is an actor. 16. Is that an ant? Yes, that is an ant. What is that? That is an ant. 17. Is that an onion? Yes, that is an onion. What is that? That is an onion. 18. Is that an office? Yes, that is an office. What is that? That is an office. 19. Is that an aerogram? Yes, that is an aerogram. What is that? That is an aerogram. 20. Is that an eagle? Yes, that is an eagle. What is that? That is an eagle.